My name is Amado Cruz, and you might be asking yourself, what are custom GPTs? You may have heard about them, but what exactly are they and how do you use them? As usual, the best place to start is by asking ChatGPT. So here I ask, what is a custom GPT? A custom GPT is a personalized version of ChatGPT that has been tailored for specific tasks, behaviors, or audiences. Think of it as your own AI assistant built on top of OpenAI's ChatGPT, but customized to do what you want your way. How do you find custom GPTs? Over here on the left sidebar, you should see something that says Explore GPTs. So go ahead, click on that, and now you're going to see a whole library of custom GPTs that you can install for free. I'm going to scroll down a bit so you can see the featured ones this week. Here are some of the most popular GPTs: SciSpace, Wolfram, Video GPT, Canva. Here are some created by OpenAI: Monday, Dolly, Data Analyst, and there's multiple categories: top picks, writing, productivity, research and analysis, education, lifestyle, Dolly once again, programming, and many more. And you can search all the GPTs right here. So let's try a couple of these out. Let's try Canva, for example. When you click on a GPT, this is what you're going to see. Then just go ahead and click Start Chat. And when you install a GPT, there's usually a preset template here for some of the most common requests. Let's try this one: making an inspirational quote graphic for social media posts. Now, the Canva GPT, which you can access anytime from the sidebar, you can always start a new chat with GPT from there, asks, do you have a specific quote in mind, or should I choose a motivational theme to get started? Let's say, choose a motivational quote about believing in yourself. Now, this is going to ask for permission. Canva wants to talk to ChatGPT plugin for Canva, so I'll say allow. Canva then creates this design. Here, an inspiring design for a quote. There's a power of self-belief is unstoppable. If you click on the image, it actually opens directly into Canva. I'm not logged into Canva here, but if you have Canva account, it would open up in Canva so that you can make any final tweaks before you publish it onto your social media. Let's say you like the quote, but not the image. I like this quote, but not the image. It's too hard to see. Provide more options. Now it's saying, hey, I'm glad you like the quote. I'll look again for more options. Canva again wants to talk to ChatGPT plugin for Canva. If you don't want to keep clicking allow every time, just click allow always, but just be careful. Now it's showing several options: hardships, C.S. Lewis life quotes. This one's a bit hard to read. Don't give up, it's never too late. I don't like this one too much. Let's say the C.S. Lewis quote graphic is the one I like. Again, just click on it and it'll open it up in Canva account so you can make any final tweaks before posting it onto social media. So here we just walked through an example of installing a custom GPT, in this case Canva, and then using it right out the gate. Let's go back to the GPT library, explore GPTs, and let's try search for consensus. Click Start Chat. And if you don't know what consensus is, it's basically like ChatGPT, but it's trained on a lot of research papers. So it's really great if you're researching something. If you need citations, you could always search references, and everything's backed by academic papers. Let's choose this one. Draft a blog on science-backed benefits. In this case, mindfulness, but you can change it to any topic you want. What's really neat about consensus is it provides these references to research papers. Let's check out some other trending. Let's check out some other GPTs. Under trending, there's stuff on astrology, scholar, fitness, humanizing AI, image generation. Let's try the astrology birth chart. Let's ask, can you analyze my love life through astrology? That's a fun one. Here, I'm not going to provide my actual birthday. I'm just going to say June 1st, 1982. And I was born in San Francisco, California. Exact birth date, let's say 3:15 a.m. Again, this GPT is asking to communicate with another website, astrology.com. What you find is a lot of companies that have built GPTs so that you can play around with the GPT. And if you want more advanced features, it'll usually link back to their website. After providing some information, you get a birth chart analysis of your life, love life, key romantic influences, significant aspects affecting your love life, and if you have additional questions, you can just keep asking here. So yeah, there's a ton of custom GPTs here for you to play around with. Again, you can find them by clicking Explore GPTs on the left. You can search for GPTs up here in the search bar, and after you add them, they'll be available on the left sidebar, so you can always start a new chat. All right. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI content. Again, my name is Amado Cruz. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.